Wow, sipin nyo na lang makakuha ng giveaway na to guys. Kaya make sure tapusin nyo itong video na to. What is good guys? Another day, another hustle for us. Today, sobrang special to video na to in connection pa rin ng Japan haul natin. Guys, first up, meron tayo ditong dalawang limited collaboration ng Tag Heuer X TaylorMade. And as you all know guys, recently TaylorMade partnered with one of the most prestige na watch brand, which is the Tag Heuer. They released a couple of items like putter, watch guys, sa caliber 85, sobrang solid. Medyo pricey lang talaga siya, pero sobrang solid ang collab nila. They also released some merch just like this. This is the Raider hat. Kung saan nyo makikita, two big logos, embossed, TaylorMade branding sa taas, Tag Heuer, embossed naman dito sa may ilalim. This is a Velcro na strap back. So this is a one size fit all na cap, sobrang solid. We have few pieces available dito sa store. Meron din tayong A-frame naman, one of their best selling na sold out kagad na brand ng cup nila. Nakikita nyo dito, steel plated, TaylorMade Tag Heuer branding. Grabe guys. This is by the way in navy colorway. And then dito makikita nyo, minimalist na tag lang ng TaylorMade and Tag Heuer. Next up is, guys, meron din tayo dito mga Japan exclusive na TaylorMade golf towel. And sobrang solid na ito guys. Kung makikita nyo dito sa baba, TaylorMade branding in color green and color blue. And before tayo mag-proceed sa last piece natin guys, make sure na tapusin mo tong video na to. And last up guys, grabe. Woo! We are so lucky na meron tayong nakuha na itong Japan exclusive limited collab na Gregory backpacks and TaylorMade in purple and blue. So guys, para ka siyang Hornets colorway, sobrang solid na ito guys. And makukuha nyo lang talaga siya in Japan exclusive. Luckily, meron tayong nakuha isa. As you know, Gregory is well known for their premium outdoor backpacks and they made a collab with TaylorMade. Sobrang solid na ito guys. Leather strap dito and then patch ng Gregory branding, TaylorMade branding. And by the way guys, pwede nyo talaga siyang gamitin for not just for golf but also for hiking. And if umabot ka sa video na to, make sure na i-share and tag mo yung friends